In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Google Analytics property ID in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a digital marketer, webmaster, or just a curious mind trying to navigate Google Analytics, locating your property ID is a crucial step. It's what connects your website to Google Analytics tracking capabilities, allowing you to access detailed insights into your site's performance. So let's dive in and find that property ID. To start our journey, you'll want to head over to the official Google Analytics homepage. You can easily find it by searching for Google Analytics tools and solutions in your preferred search engine. Once you're on the page, look out for the sign in option. It's usually located on the top right corner of the site, so go ahead and click on Sign In to Analytics. When you're signed in, you'll be taken to the Google Analytics home. Here you'll have a bird's eye view of all your properties if you manage multiple accounts. It's a hub of information, but don't get distracted just yet. We're after one specific detail here, your property ID. With Google Analytics open, your next step is to locate the admin section. You'll find it by looking at the bottom left corner of the page. Clicking on admin will take you to a new section where settings and detailed features await. It can seem a bit overwhelming, but stay focused. We're almost at our goal. Next, we're heading into the property column. Can you see it? It's right in the middle of your admin settings. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This column is where all your property-specific configurations are held. Find the setting option in this list and select it. This is the key to unlocking even deeper details about your property. Now that you're within your property settings, direct your attention to property details. Clicking on this will open up a wealth of information which includes the property ID we're after. And there you go, nestled among these details is your property ID. It will look something like property ID followed by a series of numbers. So there you have it. In a few short steps, we navigated from the Google Analytics homepage through various settings and right to your property details where you found your property ID. Remember, this tiny detail is essential for linking Google Analytics to your website, so ensure you keep it handy and secure. Thanks for watching, and if you have any further questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials. Until next time, happy analyzing.